Good morning, children. Welcome to my channel, Sri Thakur. Children, till now we have completed 1 to 10 chapters all except ninth one. Ninth one we have not discussed yet. So today I thought let me start chapter number 9 and we will complete this chapter. In between there will be exam that will appear and syllabus will be provided to you, and we have started revision of that. Keep on reading, and along with this keep this chapter in your mind. It is there in your syllabus, not in this exam but in your next exam. Okay, let's start the chapter number 9. Upakara hatastu kartabya. Upakara means favor. Tu means but, kartabya means to be done. Favor is to be done, whether it is an enemy or a friend. Favor is to be done. We should not deny the person to help. So this lesson will teach us why should we help, or why should always be ready to help others. That is chapter number 9. I have splitted this chapter into three parts. In first two parts we will discuss translation. In last part we will discuss exercise. Upakar hatastu kartavya, favor is to be done. So here, children, before we start the chapter, we should know the background, we should know the introduction of this chapter. Let's see. This portion of the drama, it's a drama type of chapter, and this drama is taken from Mrichakatikam, written by Sudrak. Mrichakatikam is a very famous Sanskrit scholar by whom it is written. Mrichakatikam, it is written by Sudrak. Sudrak is a very famous dramatist. Mrichakatikam is a drama play. It is written by Sudrak, very renowned Sanskrit drama, Sanskrit play. This excerpt is taken from 10th act of Mrichakatika. There are 10 acts. It is taken from 10th act of that book. And story we must know. We must know the introduction, because you feel otherwise little bit difficult this chapter. Charudatta is the hero of this play. He was very rich during his childhood. Now he has become very poor. By giving money to his friends, he has become very, very poor. He was rich during childhood, but now he has become very poor. He has a beloved known as Vasanta Sena. By coincidence, Charudatta became the king. Okay, Vasanta Sena is the beloved, and after some days, that poor person Charudatta has become the king. And when he was the king at that time, one day, due to some reason, Sudrak, the brother-in-law of Charudatta, Sala, जिसको बोलते Sala, one day due to some reason, Sakara himself, the brother-in-law of Charudatta, attempted to kill Vasansena but failed. One day, Sakara, the brother-in-law of Charudatta, tried to kill Vasansena. Vasansena is his own sister. Okay, but failed. After this coincidence, he put the blame on Sarvilak. He tried to kill his own sister, that is Charudatta's wife, Vasansena. But after trying to kill, he put blame on Sarvilaka. Sarvilaka is another character. Okay, and he is an ordinary person of the society. Who attempted to kill Sakara. Who is Sakara? The brother of Vasansena and brother-in-law of Charudatta. वसंत का खुद का भाई एंड चारुदत्त का साला खुद की सिस्टर को मारने के लिए कोशिश की, एंड मारने के बाद सर्विलक के ऊपर ब्लेम डाल दिया. अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट वसंत डिड नॉट डाई. वसंत सर्वाइव्ड. बट आफ्टर सम डेज Sakar came to notice that he is the only person who is culprit. Okay, attempted to murder. Then people ran and rushed after him to catch him and give him punishment through the king. Afterwards, when people came to know Sakar is the culprit, they try to catch him, and they try to take to Charudatta. So that Charudatta is a king now, he will give punishment. With this attention, with this intention, they started running after him. Anyway, by the way, Sakar came to Charudatta when they were running, and he came by rushing and running and reached Charudatta. Now Charudatta has to decide which punishment to be given to him, whether punishment is to be given or he is to be forgiven. Either punishment to be given or he should be forgiven. This is the story. Now in this chapter we will learn how the discussion is going on, how that Sakar has approached and how people are following after him, and Charudatta with kindness, with mercy, pity wanted to forgive him. This story we are going to learn. Okay. And in drama type lesson always there is a bracketed sentence, and the bracketed sentence speaks about the situation. So that also to be translated. So what is the situation? Nepathya, behind the curtain. Arere Rashtriya Salaka, oh brother, oh relative of the king. Rashtriya Salaka means relative here, not that national brother-in-law. Rashtriya Salaka, Salaka means brother-in-law, Rashtriya means king. Oh brother-in-law king of the king or relative of the king, yehi come here. Swasya abhinasya phalam anubhava. You realize the result of your immodesty act. I mean, you attempted to murder in the past. You attempted to murder Basansana, so you get the result of your immodesty act. Nepathya, behind the curtain. Is it a drama type lesson? So, what in the olden days, if you remember, there was stage performance. People used to prompt behind the curtain. Here, same thing is happening. Some words are heard behind the curtain. Arere Rashtriya Salaka, oh relative the king, yehi come here. Swasya abhinasya phalam anubhava. You realize the result of your immodesty act, your evil deed. Tata pravisati purushe yadishchita paschat bahubadda sakara. Then Sakara enters. How is the Sakara condition now? Purushe adishchasa, surrounded by the people. Paschat bahubadda, his hands were tied at the back. Then Sakara, whose hands were tied at the back, surrounded by the people, enters. Where he enters? In the assembly of Charudatta. Now Sakara dialogue. Diso abalaka, looking at all the directions. Samantata upasthita eva Rashtriya Bandha, my relative. Rashtriya Bandha means my relative. Samantata, in front of me, my relative there. I mean, by chance, maybe not purposefully, by chance he has come to the assembly of Charudatta. So he found king himself is sitting on the throne and he is his own brother-in-law. So he got assembled up. So he is saying, oh, in front of me, my relative is sitting. Tat kim idarim asarana saranam bhajami. Then how should I surrender to the person who does not to be surrendered? ये खुद का रिलेटिव के सामने, खुद का रिश्तेदार के सामने कोई भी व्यक्ति नापसंद करता है, शर्माता है हेल्प लेने के लिए. इसीलिए ही इज सेइंग, दैट्स व्हाई ही इज सेइंग तत् किम इदानीम असरण शरणम भजामि. देन हाउ कैन आई सरेंडर टू द वन हु इज फिट नॉट टू बी सरेंडर्ड. विचिंता थिंकिंग, देयर इज नो अदर वे आउट. There is no way out because people are following him. So he thought, Vichinta, after thinking, Bhavatu, okay, Tameva Sarana Vasalam Gachami, let me follow him or let me surrender to him. Iti Upasrita. After that, Iti Upasrita, then going near. Arya Charudatta, O respected Charudatta, Paritrayasa Paritayasa, please protect me. Iti Padaya Patati. After saying this, he falls at his feet. Charudatta के पैर पर पड़ गया. Nepathya, behind the curtain. Arya Charudatta, muncha vyapadayam enam. Nepathya, behind the curtain. Arya Charudatta, respected Charudatta, muncha, leave him. Vyapadayam enam, will kill him. I mean, behind the curtain, those people who are following, they shouted, oh Charudatta, respected Charudatta, leave him, will kill him. Now, translation, behind the curtain. Oh, relative of the king, come here, realize the result of your misbehavior. Then enter Sakar, surrounded by the people and whose hands were tied at the back. Looking at all the directions, my relative is sitting in front of me. Then how can I surrender to him who does not deserve to help? Thinking, okay, let it be. Let me take help from him who is really merciful. Going near, respected Charudat, protect me. He falls at his feet. Behind the curtain, respected Charudat, leave him, will kill him. This is the first situation. Okay. Now let's go to second paragraph, second portion. Sakar, Charudat Tampati. Sakar speaks. Charudat means towards Charudat. Bhu asarana शरण परित्रायस अशरण शरण परित्रायस ओ चारुदत्त प्लीज प्रोटेक्ट मी परित्रायस एंड हु डज नॉट डिजर्व टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड अशरण आई मीन जिसको रक्षा करना न चाहिए ऐसे व्यक्ति आप रक्षा करिए चारुदत्त पति टुवर्ड चारुदत्त भो अशरण शरण परित्रायस प्लीज प्रोटेक्ट मी हु डज नॉट डिजर्व टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड चारुदत्त अनुकंपम विथ पीटी विथ मर्सी अल्लाह अभयम अभयम शरणागत डोंट फियर एज यू हैव शरण मेरे पास आए हो इसलिए घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है अशरण अभयम अभयम शरणागत यू डोंट फियर एज यू हैव सरेंडर टू मी Charvilak that person on whom Sakara put blame. He is an innocent person, he is an ordinary person of the society, but Sakara put blame on him, Sabegam, with pride. I mean, he feels pride because he has gone to the king and king will punish him. So, apaniyatam ayam Charudasa Prasad. Oh, snatch him away from near चारुदत्त रेस्पेक्ट चारुदत्त ओ अपनीयताम अयम चारुदत्त प्रसाद लेट अस स्नैच हिम अवे फ्रॉम द हैंड्स ऑफ चारुदत्त फ्रॉम नियर चारुदत्तम प्रति टुवर्ड चारुदत्त ननु उच्यताम किम अस्य पापस्य अनुष्ठ्यताम इति as soon as he spoke like this and his notice fell on king चारुदत्त he spoke to him चारुदत्तम प्रति टुवर्ड चारुदत्त ननु उच्यताम किम अस्य पापस्य अनुष्ठ्यताम इति प्लीज से यू मस्ट से व्हाट शुड बी डन विद दिस सिंपल वन ये पापी के साथ क्या किया जाए आप जरूर बोलिए नाउ सर्विलक इज गिविंग 3 ऑप्शंस आकर्षन्तु सुबद्धेनम शोभि संख्याद्यताम अथ सुलेवा तिष्ठताम ऐसा पठ्यताम कक्रचनवा आकर्षन्तु सुबद्धेनम आकर्षण मीन्स बाय स्नैचिंग हिम अवे सुबद्धि वी शुड टाई हिम अप एंड शोभि संख्याद्यताम इट शुड बी थ्रोन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द डॉग शोभि मीन्स डॉग for his food I am for eating by snatching him away we should tie him and throw in front of the dog for eating the first option उसको बांध के खींच के लाओ उसको बांध दो और कुत्ते के सामने खाने के लिए फेंक दो सेकेंड ऑप्शन सुलेवा तिष्ठतम एस नाउ इट इज हैंगिंग सिस्टम इज देयर फांसी की सिस्टम है पहले ज़माने में व्हाट यूज्ड टू हैपन देयर वाज ए शार्प पॉइंटेड हिटेड आयरन रॉड just imagine sharp pointed heated iron rod on that at the top of that heated point iron rod man will be made seated so that is second option here suleva tishtatam esa he should be made seated on the pointed heated iron rod and third option patyatam kakrachenava kakracha means that blade he should be cut down by the blade into pieces he should be cut down into pieces by the blade so Sarvilak has given 3 options akarsantu subadhenam shobhi sankhatamatha he should be snatched away and by tying he should be thrown in front of the dog for eating second option suleva tishtamesa he should be made seated on the pointed heated iron rod and third option patyatam kakracharma he should be cut down into pieces by the blade. This is the translation I have written towards Charudat. Oh, protect me, who does not deserve to be protected. Charudat with pity, mercy, Allah's. Don't fear, as you have surrendered to me. Sarvilak with pride. Oh, snatch him away from the hands of Charudat. Towards Charudat he speaks, sir, you must say what to do with this sinful one. Either he should be snatched away and after tying he should be thrown in front of the dog for eating. Or he should be made seated on the sharp pointed heated iron rod or he should be cut down into pieces by the blade. Okay, this is second part. Now third part. Now Charudat after listening all 3 options from Sarvilaka he says Kim aham yat brabhimi tat kriyase will you do whatever I say Kim aham yat brabhimi whatever I will say will you do सर्विलक सेस को अत्र संदेह व्हाट डाउट इज देयर आप बोलोगे आप राजा है आप बोलेंगे हम नहीं करेंगे ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि को अत्र संदेह व्हाट डाउट इज देयर इन दिस मैटर इसमें शंका क्या है सकार भट्टारक चारुदत्त शरणागतस्मि as soon as Sakar heard that Charudatta is saying that whatever I will say will you do I mean I am ready to give give him punishment, but will you do whatever I will say? And Sakar heard it. Sakar thought, I am going to be punished by the king, Charudata. So he got afraid. So he is saying, Bhattaraga, Charudata, respected Charudata, Saranagatasmi. I have surrendered to you. I am surrendered. Tat paritrayasya. So therefore you protect me. Please protect me. Yat tava sadrusam tatkuru. Yat tava sadrusam. Whatever life you do. But punah idrusam na karisami. But I am giving you guarantee, I am giving consent that I will not do this type of thing. Okay, I am repeating Sakara dialogue again. Bhattarak Charudat, respected Charudata, Saranagatasmi, I am surrendered to you. Tat paritrasa, therefore you protect me. Yat tava sadrusam tat kuru, whatever you like, whatever you feel like that you do. Punah na idrusam karisami, but I will not do like this again. Nepathe, again behind the curtain. It was heard. Nepathe, behind the curtain. Poraha Vyapadayata, O village people, kill him. Kiminipitam Pathakijibyate. Why this sinful one still is alive? Abhi tak ye zinda kyun hai? Nepathe, behind the curtain. Poraha, O village people, Kiminipitam Pathakijibyate. Why this still sinful one is surviving? Okay, Sharbila. Are re apanayata. Sharbila is saying, oh, snatch him away. Aryo Charudata Agya Payatam. Oh, respected Jada, please give order. Agya dijiye, Agya Payatam. Kim asya papasyam anushyata dvinti. What should be done with this sinful one? Are re apanayata. Oh, snatch him away. Aryo Charudata Agya Payatam. Respected Charudata, please give order. Kim asya papasya kritamiti. Kimasya papasya anishtyatamiti. What should be given with this sinful one? Charudat. Will you do whatever I will say? Sharbila. What doubt is there in this matter? Sakar. Respected Charudata, I am surrendered to you. Therefore you protect me. Do whatever you like, but I will not do like this again. Behind the curtain. O village people, why is this still sinful one alive? Oh, snatch him away. Respected Charudata, please give order for what to do with this sinful one. So children, I have given almost half of the chapter in this part. So after watching the video properly, complete the homework that you write translation in notebook without fail. Any queries, please contact me, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It is helpful to you in future. You will get notification in your notification box, in subscription box, so that anytime you can watch my videos and learn, and share it among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.